Well, this is going to be interesting. We have a super speedway setup. We have not done this before, and we have leader outside the cones with it as well. Oh boy, you guys are going fast. Okay, all right. Well, that was a quick start. This will be interesting. Oh boy. Oh, so wide. How much does that Joker actually do? Not Joker, the leader outside the cones. Not actually that much, it just shuffles two people. It doesn't do much shuffling. Oh, sorry, Dave. I got scrubbed out. Ugh. I ain't giving up. Let's go. I'm gonna keep this outside if I can. Oh no, I'm losing it. I lost it. I'm just waiting for Dennis to show up. Oh no! I should probably get back to the inside. Oh, who's hitting me? Oh goodness. This is a pretty interesting concept, though, to be fair. I do like this. I think it'd be better if we had a bigger cone section. Because right now, I think it's just two people going back and forth, basically. This is pretty good, though. This is my idea of a NASCAR-style track here. The inner one is kind of neat. It's like the hardest thing on planet Earth. For doing it for a long time, but I like this. This is good. I could do a lot of this. This is really interesting. Oh, yeah, this is interesting. I like this. Give me more of this. This is a fun little exhibition race. Fun little exhibition race. This is neat, honestly. Oh no! Oh boy! Holy moly! Holy moly! I came out of nowhere. This is NASCAR! Oh, I can't get around you, Lee! You're tougher than a kidney stone. Oh no! Dave, Dave, what are you doing? Be nice! Oh no! Oh no, what's happening? Oh no! Oh goodness, that was fun. This is my favorite race all night. This is good. No, give me more. All right, back for another super speedway race. I'm really excited about this. This is really fun. Oh, no! That was almost a huge disaster. Oh, boy. Back with another super speedway with leader outside the cones. Oh, this was fun last time we did it. I was doing some actual bump drafting with Lee, which was really cool. It's not really a thing that we get to do normally, but on this kind of course, it works. So that's cool. That's cool. Yep. Yeah, give me some bump draft, bud. Yeah, bump draft me. Let's go. That's what we like to see. Well, I got you inside there, bud. All right. I just want to get in, I just want to have a nice little, battle up here. Let's get some, let's get in with the pack, huh? What's really cool is, you can swing wide in certain corners to try to take advantage of, trying to get in there. Oh, I'm sorry, Lee. Oh. Oh, boy. Oh, okay. Got into you there a little bit, bud. Yeah, bump draft, let's go! Oh. I got a little too casual there. Oh, I would actually legitimately love to do a night of this racing. I am not kidding. Come on, grab bump draft. Let's go. Bump draft. Bump draft. Let's go. Ooh, okay. Nah. Oh. There actually is interesting strategy about when to go wide and when not to go wide, which is really, honestly, I like that a lot. It's really cool, to be honest. Oh, if I would have sent it there, I would have turned him. Oh, good race, good race.